Asian Beauty, a celebration of history and harmony, written by Michelle Phan. This journey takes us through the rich tapestry of beauty traditions that have been cherished and passed down through generations. Asian beauty standards are unique, they're rooted in history and tradition. These practices are not just about appearance, but are deeply intertwined with cultural values and philosophies. For centuries, Asian cultures have valued porcelain skin. This ideal symbolizes purity and refinement, reflecting an inner and outer harmony. This represents health and vitality. A glowing complexion is seen as a sign of well-being and balance within the body. Think of the elegance of geishas. Their intricate makeup and hairstyles are not just for show, but are steeped in tradition and artistry. Their makeup emphasized flawless skin and delicate features. Each stroke of makeup is a testament to their dedication to beauty and precision. Modern Asian beauty trends still embrace this focus on skin. Skincare routines are elaborate and meticulous, aiming to maintain that timeless glow. However, there's a growing emphasis on natural beauty. Think no makeup looks. This trend celebrates the natural texture and tone of the skin. The goal is to enhance, not conceal. Subtle touches are used to highlight one's natural features, promoting a sense of confidence and authenticity. This shift reflects a desire for authenticity and self-acceptance. Embracing one's unique beauty is becoming a powerful movement across the continent. Across Asia, different countries have their own aesthetic preferences. Each culture brings its own unique perspective to the concept of beauty. Korean beauty prioritizes dewy, youthful skin. The famous multi-step skincare routines are designed to achieve a radiant, glass-like complexion. Japanese beauty emphasizes elegance and minimalism. The focus is on simplicity and enhancing natural beauty with minimal products. These variations highlight the diversity within Asian beauty. From the intricate rituals of the past to the modern trends of today, Asian beauty is a celebration of history and harmony. JSA Beauty embodies this modern approach to Asian beauty. They focus on natural, cute looks. Their products are designed to enhance natural features, not mask them. Think light, airy textures and subtle colors. JSA Beauty believes in skincare as the foundation of beauty. Healthy skin is essential for achieving a natural glow. Their skincare line emphasizes hydration and protection. This ensures a flawless canvas for makeup application. Their makeup products are designed to complement Asian features. They offer a range of shades to suit diverse skin tones. Their formulas are lightweight and long-lasting. This ensures a fresh, natural look throughout the day. Achieving a natural, cute look is easier than you think. Here's a simple guide to help you achieve that effortless, fresh-faced appearance. Step 1. Prep your skin. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Start with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities. Apply a hydrating toner and moisturizer. This will ensure your skin is plump and ready for makeup. Step 2. Create a flawless base. This step is crucial for a natural look. Use a lightweight BB cream or cushion foundation. These products provide coverage without feeling heavy. Blend it evenly for a natural finish. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Step 3. Define your brows. Well-groomed brows frame your face beautifully. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color. Brush your brows for a natural look. This helps to blend the product and keep your brows in place. Step 4. Enhance your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul, so let's make them pop. Apply a light eyeshadow to your lids. Neutral tones work best for a natural look. Use a brown or black eyeliner to subtly line your upper lash line. This adds definition without being too dramatic. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. This will open up your eyes and make them appear larger. Step 5. Add a touch of color. A little color can bring life to your face. Apply a cream blush to the apples of your cheeks. This gives a natural, healthy glow. Choose a natural shade that complements your skin tone. This ensures the blush looks seamless. Step 6. Perfect your pout. Your lips complete the look. Apply a tinted lip balm or lipstick in a natural shade. This adds a hint of color while keeping your lips hydrated. Deconstructing the melted face paper trend innovation in makeup art. The melted face paper trend showcases the creativity within the Asian beauty community. This trend has taken social media by storm, with countless makeup artists sharing their unique takes on the look. It involves using makeup to create the illusion of a face melting like paper. The process requires a high level of skill and precision, as artists blend colors and textures to achieve the desired effect. This trend is inspired by anime and manga, where exaggerated features are common. These influences are evident in the dramatic and often surreal designs that makeup artists create. This trend is all about illusion and artistry. It challenges traditional notions of beauty and pushes the boundaries of what makeup can achieve. Makeup artists use contouring, highlighting, and eyeshadow to create the melting effect. Each element is carefully applied to enhance the illusion of a face melting away. They often incorporate bold colors and graphic shapes. These elements add to the overall impact of the look, making it even more striking and memorable. The melted face paper trend is not meant for everyday wear. Instead, it serves as a form of artistic expression, allowing artists to showcase their creativity and technical skills. It's a form of artistic expression. Through this trend, makeup artists can tell stories, evoke emotions, and create visual masterpieces that captivate their audience. It allows makeup enthusiasts to explore their creativity and push boundaries by experimenting with different techniques and materials. They can develop their own unique styles and contribute to the ever-evolving world of makeup art. Claymation breathing life into beauty. Claymation offers a unique and engaging way to present beauty tutorials. Imagine watching a clay figure come to life. See makeup being applied step by step in a playful, whimsical way. Claymation allows for endless creativity. You can create unique characters and settings. This makes tutorials more visually appealing and entertaining. This medium can also simplify complex techniques. By breaking down steps into smaller movements, claymation makes tutorials easier to follow. Bridging cultures, inspiring creativity, the power of Asian beauty trends. Asian beauty trends have transcended geographical boundaries. They've become a global phenomenon. This is due to their emphasis on natural beauty, innovative products, and creative techniques. These trends have challenged conventional beauty standards. They've encouraged people to embrace their individuality. This has led to a more inclusive and diverse beauty landscape. The rise of social media has played a significant role in popularizing Asian beauty. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube have allowed beauty enthusiasts to connect and share their passion. The future of beauty, a fusion of tradition and technology. The future of beauty lies in the fusion of tradition and technology. We can expect to see more innovative products and techniques. These will continue to push the boundaries of beauty. Augmented reality and artificial intelligence will play a bigger role in beauty. Imagine trying on makeup virtually or receiving personalized skincare recommendations. However, the essence of beauty will always remain the same. It's about enhancing our natural features and expressing our individuality. Asian beauty trends will continue to inspire and empower us on this journey of self-discovery.